Hi, Yes, see you sa crap. Hi, Sir Bang! Hello, kamusta? Ayan, look, my dog here is enjoying his new bed. Say thank you to Sir Bang. He's enjoying his new bed. Thank you, Sir Bang. Oh my God, hi, Deja. Ba't may Bisaya dito? Hi, Mami Tin. Bulwana. Yes, see you. See you sa Raf Dolan. Miskin wa pa gani ano ba poster kay gi-insert na gid ni nako akong self, no? What if wala di ay ko? Nga grabe na akong grabe nang promote Dolan. Dolan! Di ba ang cute ni Cookie? Isa siyang Dachshund, isa siyang hotdog. And ang cute. May naisip ako, magpapagawa ko ng higaan niya na parang buns. Pero pag humiga siya, buka siyang hotdog. So smart, darling. I'm the queen of concept. Some gift pa uli. Sure. Si Bulwana. Si ano ba?
Bulawan.
Bulawan de.
Yawa, Bulwana.
Bulawan pala. Bulawan. She is, she can't read apparently. Hi, Pia. Hi, Jaja Collins. Tapos, lagyan mo ketchup si Cookie. True. Nandito po si Miss Wa. She's at the back. Boys at the back na lang. Let's just say that. That's a boy. Boys at the back. Gcash be. Ay! Kayo talaga. Hindi naman para pero sige. Gcash kayo dito. Uy, wag naman kayo mag-send ng Gcash. Like, ano mo yan? Bakit kayo nag-send ng mga yan? Hala, naay Epal, si Elwin. What the hell eh? Nag-send po siya Gcash. Uy, feeling nun.
Bigay ito lang pera, hello.
Hello. Feeling on. So mag-live muna tayo ngayon because wala lang. I was following someone on TikTok na he's so cute and he's trying to talk in front of the camera. He has a lot wag na lang kaya mag-English. She has like 1K followers and I'm kind of obsessed with him. Like, it's so cute. Kilala niyo ba yung inaano ko? Tinutukoy ko. Guys, if you're following him, let me know. Talaga ang cute niya, Englishero talaga siya. Tapos feeling ko nga nakatira siya sa Siargao or I don't know. Ano siya, diver. Professional diver.
Paki beach. Uy!
The hell? Hala, nag-send din ng Gcash si Miss Wong.
Hi guys, may crush ako nung viewing party.
Who is he?
Friend siya ng...
Ano?
Actually, hindi ko alam. Pero like...
Ano name niya? Ano?
Pina-follow siya ni Shay.
Ah! What's the name of that?
CJ.
CJ. CJ, if you're watching this, para sa'yo to. Siya. CJ, where are you? CJ. CJ! Ang kupad. Good morning! Ma, ate, I'm getting married!
CJ!
CJ! Ang kupad talaga! Key with honors ako. Ah, congrats! Congrats, darling! You did that. You ate that. You ate that exam. Go get that degree, girl. Focus on me. Sa susunod,
Sikat na siya.
titigit na si Sisa. One of my favorite movie, Four Sisters and a Wedding. Like, every time I wanna cry or whatever, crying na sad. Every time I want to be emotional, girl, Four Sisters and a Wedding. Core memory, bakla.
Kaya pala, bilis mo nahulaan yung ano,
Yung?
charades ni Hana.
Of course, yeah! Tsaka kamukha ni Hana si Toti Mariso, parang, that's the clue.
Marie.
One of my favorite movie, Pinoy movie, and then, top 3 Pinoy movie, Four Sisters and a Wedding, Private Benjamin, tsaka, iisipin ko yung pangatlo. Sister Akas! Okay. Chris Aquino, girl. Chris Aquino. Tsaka yung yung... Ate, sabihin mo na, sige na. Sabihin mo na hindi ka natanggap, pero tapos ganito. Alam mo yun? Hoy!
What?
Pero tegi na kasi yun siya, si... Pambayot ba na ni Ay de las Alas? Mapaglihim, hindi. Mapanakit, oo. Papansin po, ano ba? Don Khan, darling. Hello. Welcome to the live. Grabe yung muta ko. Parang pwede na ako mag-donate. What?
Ato daw kagkat balogan. Mo sa dito.
Kitsa naging yun?
Ibad to ka. Yan nag-comment.
Where is that? Saan yung Katbalogan? Is that a restaurant? Libreng fine dining para sa lahat! Guys, tulungan niyo ako manotice ni Mami Oni. Kasi kung hindi, susulungin ko siya sa bahay niya. Char. Char, just kidding. Ah. Hi, Andrew. I miss you. I miss your body. Just kidding. Ganon, babae lang tayo today. Just a woman. Woman lame. Woman lame. A few of my mistakes and honey. Mabilisan lang to. Mabilisang makeup, darling. And then we are ready. Okay. She's kind of cute though. The makeup's kind of cute though. Hindi pa rin ako pinapansin ni Mami Oni kasi. Alam niyo nang papansin ako. I love Mami Oni so much. She inspires me. She's very wisdom. She has a lot of wisdom. And she's a mom. A mother who ate. And served the plate. Kaya mamili ng tamang boto. Mamimigay. Mamiminger. What the hell? Sorry. Pero grabe yung tawa ko sa sarili ko. Like, the fuck? I was so funny to me. Boto mo sa akin parang maasim. Sige, sige, sige. Bata-bata mara. Oh my God, may bago akong movie na inaabangan ngayon. Yung kay Piolo Pascual, Joshua Garcia, Bel Mariano, and Maricel Soriano, and yeah, meet, greet, and buy. Sabog siguro yun. Just a woman like me. Sean, hi. Tiffany Grace Chua, how are you, darling? Andiyan ba si Mami Oni? Huwag niyo kayo pa-prank. Hi, Andy. Hi, ate. Kamusta? High school. Oh my God! Clarice? Yambaw. Hi, kamusta ka, darling? Clarice Yambaw. Ay, papansin. Papansin. Kamusta ka? Bayan, ang daming nangyari ng high school talaga siya. Pasabog. Yan. Hi, Joey. Hi, Bal. How are you? OMG, OMG. Nakakamiss mag-high school. Parang gusto kong mag-high school ulit. Nag-high school pala ako sa guys, sa General Topacio. General Liserio. General Liserio Topacio National High School. Ganon. At ang school namin ngayon, tiles na, bakla. Dati semento lang yun. Ngayon may tiles na siya. Ayan. Is the mug mugging? Is the mug mugging, my darling? Babae lang tayo. Okay. Huwag muna tayo maghalimaw-halimaw makeup, darling. Dahil nakakatakot yan. Talaga naman. Alright, ayan. Alright, ayan. John. Hi, John. It's Maggie out here. Hindi na masyado. Sakto lang. Baka sabihin nyo, sobrang ano ko. Okay. Kilay, darling, kilay. Where's my Caroline? Oh God, where is that? Charan! Grabe, wala na. Ubus na siya. Itong gamit ko pang kilay, and then pang lip liner, and then pang kulkul sa puki ko. Char! Tasahan muna natin to. Guys, hindi ba kayo na-weirdohan sa word na pantasa? Parang, ba't naging pantasa? Pantasa. Di ba dapat parang tasa siya? Pero pantasa, sharpener. Tasahin. Tasa. Okay. Random thoughts only. Hi! Hi, Angie! Oh my God, hello. Sana mag-meet kayo ni Mami Oni. Oo nga eh. Gusto ko mag-meet kami, please. Darling. Saan ba? Sana pag nag-meet kami ni Mami Oni, magpapalunod ako sa dede niya. Char. Magpapasampal ako sa kanya, lahat. Kahit mag-jump split siya sa akin, okay lang. V-drop niya sa likod ko. Char. Okay, let's just pray that these eyebrows are gonna be symmetrical. Kasi sometimes, ano talaga eh. So, yeah. Ayan. Alright. So let's just start there as the base. Ay, word. Ayan. So, medyo makulit to. Tang ino talaga ito. Haha. Abi doon ni Mama Pao, bottom mo ako. Ay, wag. Bad joke. Sige. Bottom mo ako. Ayun, naboto. Cha! So, pag nakuha na natin yung line na yan, let's start sa taas na. Tingnan mo, may nunal talaga ako dyan. Nilalagyan ko yan ng ano. And, that, kukonect natin siya. Sige. Sorry, I'm focusing. Okay. Where is the ano? Lana. What, darling?
You want me to say some problematic shit?
Oh. Go ahead.
No.
Go ahead.
Uy.
Yeah! Now we just blend the kilay to the front. And then you have it. Perfect kilay. You could never...
Excuse me, girl.
Guys, yung kilay ni Miss So parang ano... plywood sa kabaga.
Feel ko 1 inch siya.
Yung kilay. Kilay's Miss So is like 1 inch. Kay Jordy naman, 2.
Oh, mas magaya.
Jordy, do you know who Jordy is? Siya ang face, the body, and she's also in the first house in Cagayan de Oro City. Excuse me lang. Could never. Okay, ganyan ang kilay natin. That's it. Wala masyadong... Diba? That's so easy. Yeah. Makeup is so easy. So if you wanna learn how to do makeup, do it now. Naalala ko dati, when I was in high school, grabe ako mag-makeup sa school, day. Lagi ako napapa-guidance council. Kulay sa buhok, kung anong trip kong kulay, makeup, contact lens, lipstick, bakla, avail. Tapos dati, nagpa-practice ako mag-makeup sa bahay. Tapos pag sakto, Kiana, I can't. Sama mo ako sa palengke, sabi ng tito ko. Ay, sige, sasama ako nang naka-makeup. So, lahat ng tao sa palengke nakatingin sa akin. She said, give me attention. Papansin, nakakainis. Alam mo, minsan naiinis din ako sa sarili ko eh. Dahil kung nakilala niyo ako nung medyo bagets pa ako, yun talagang papansin. Nakakairita yun. Yeah. I think we're done here. Anong brand ang shade mo pang kilay? It's Careline. It's almost wala na siya. It's barely there. So, ang shade niya brown. That's it. Marami to sa meron to sa sa 7-Eleven. May mga ganito sa Mercury
Nung
Drugs.
high school, grabe yan siya. Di pa maganda English yan.
Sino to? Oh my God! Clarice! Girl! The shade of it all, mama. Naalala ko tuloy na lagi tayong nakatambay sa inyo, tas ang lakas mong uminom ng Coke dahil isang litro sa'yo lang yun. Kaya lagi kang absent. Kasi, naaano ka, ang tawag doon? UTI girl, UTI queen! Uy, magaling ako mag-English pa dati. Excuse me lang, Clarice Yambaw. Excuse me lang, ha? Meron kaming cable, ha? Laking Disney. Talking about. Meron kaming cable dati, girl. Pero 1 month lang siya. Kasi hindi na kami nakabayad. Pero cable, misa una bayad. Ayaw ko diya. Sa mga nagtatanong, kalala ko si Peppa Pig. Okay, lipstick na and then we're done. Thank you guys for watching this live. I hope you enjoyed it. And I will be somewhere. So see you around. Wait lang, mag-lipstick lang ako. So this is how I do my lipstick. So I just follow my yan. So I just follow my lips. As you can see, my lips are like pointed. Yeah, I love that. So let's just go there. And then pag umangat na, i-overline na natin siya here. Diba? Wala.
Already gave in the time and the place.
It's not that hard to overline. And sometimes, seeing this, other girlies don't know how to line their lips. Jolly.
Galayan ka una?
Yeah. Or, ikaw, vice versa.
Yun, una.
Lipstick. Kikissable lips, mong good ka, ate. Say gani kay mo lips.
Tuwan sa kasi!
The heck? Uy, abas. CJ! Sure. Guys, hanapin natin si CJ. Okay. Alright. Diba? Very Barbie. I'm very Bratz. Bratzy, Asa cara para cara panty. Asa cara panty santia. Sam?
Kita lang si Jade.
Jade, so are you watching? Hantia. Hantias, it's me, Miss Jade.
God-bless na kay Mom and Auntie.
Mag-bless na kay Mom and Auntie. Kara para sa kara para siya. Girl, I miss you, girl. Where are you, Jade? Jade. Jade, pwede ka bang hawakan yung dede mo? Sure. Joke lang.
What's what's your fave Disney film daw?
Ah! Okay, my fave Disney film. Di ba nagbayin ako sa inyo, ha? Why am I still here, darling? Hindi ko mapantay yung lips ko, ha? Wait. My fave Disney... Disney princess? Cinderella? Yeah, Cinderella. Pati yung The Twisted Fate. Tatlong part yon, Cinderella original, Cinderella 2, The Twisted Fate, tapos may 3 pa yun. I don't know what happened. Gusto ko yung kanta na, I've always dreamed that my life could be like a fairy tale, a perfect fantasy, and then my life was perfect as I glide across the shore, but it was nothing more than a dream. Search nyo. So Cookie doesn't like me singing. 'Cause in the princess arm I found a love I can't deny. If there's any chance to set things right, I simply got to... Yan, natakdan ako kay Shea. May plema, malaman siya, may laman. So, ibig sabihin talagang ramdam na ramdam mo yung... Alam niyo yun, si Cinderella, yung nanakaw ng stepmother yung wand. Ay, nanakaw ng stepmother yung wand nung fairy.
Once upon a time, na.
Dili. Girl, the way you look dumb. It's not. Promise na. Twisted Fate. Search nyo. So I trust my heart. What else can I do? I can live and dream. If my dreams will do come true, there's a better life that's waiting. Past the mountain I must climb to set the things in love to get my once upon a time. And it was so much more than a dream. Thank you, darling. Twisted Time. Twisted Time. Did Twisted Fate. Same lang. Grabe, that was like the perfect Disney sequel ever in my life. Si Gazgaz, naging ano siya, naging tao. Tapos, muntik na siyang sumuko sa dulo. Tapos biglang, no, I'm Cinderella. Maganda yun. Magandang film yan. Okay, lipstick, and we're done. Huy, grabe ang plema na para bang keep on pushing my bottom. With me you leveled up, yeah, it's true. And somebody you don't wanna do.
You're just a...
Gusto ko mag-samgyup.
Uy. Dysraxia. Paras kimig na hong. Girl. Goodbye. Girl, 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 girl.
Ano?
What's that, darling? Yeah.
I want a little Paris shirt.
Social. Sige, sinosyal.
I want...
Nagsuot og ukay yun.
I wear ukay.
So I'm just gonna use this bomb.com, darling.
You're just a game boy. I'm just trying to play boy. I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. Loving you's a game boy. I should wish it away, boy. I'm not thinking about you. I'm thinking about you, baby.
Tell your friends they love the drama. You're the one who's lonely calling. I keep on pushing my bottoms. Okay. Hindi ito siya pantay. Wait. Hold. Okay.
Cute lagi ni inyong ano,
What?
keychains nga, toyo.
Yeah. Ang cute niyan.
This so cute.
So, and then we're just gonna top this with gloss. And then let's call it a look. Ay, darling. Ay, buhok, darling.
You can't. You're just a...
Waving through window.
Ah, wala pa pala akong lashes. Oh my God, that's why. I look so funny. Hoy! I'm just gonna put... Wala na rin ko yung ano na kay... Pandikit, Ate Miss.
Diya lang. Yun
Ha?
ang cute diya, di ba?
Ay, yucks! Namamaga yung mata ko sa mga ganun.
I use that kasi for my, kilay.
What the hell?
It's so strong.
Yeah, masyado siguro siyang strong. Kaya irritated yung mata ko. Yung picture ko na kalbo, yung gumanon ako, yun yung gamit kong pang ano. That's why medyo namamaga yung mata ko nun.
You just don't clean your eyes properly.
Uy! Girl, ayaw pa yan, girl. Eh, bandrid naman na girl.
Oh.
Alright! Invite kita sa birthday ko, inuman tayo. Go. At pag in-invite mo ko, dapat may mga pogi. Char.
Invite me.
Kamusta na kaya yung mga crush ko dati nung senior high? What the hell? Comment down below kung andyan kayo.
oras muna ako.
Karon na, after na ako makeup. Na, as in now na. She's waking, darling. Okay. Okay, alright, let's do it. Ayun. Ah, shucks. May nakalimutan din ako. Wait. Hold your horses. Stay. Let's pick something. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, wala na itong laman. May laughing.
Oo.
Hala! The heck? Wala, mabaw kitang makalipay. Hala. Hindi pa siya tapos, oh.
Lalay naman ni.
I'm like TT, just like ET. But I got out.
Okay. That's it. That's the look, Kiana. Look, Kiana. Bye-bye.